Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the stunning shores of Jamaica to explore the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica. This all-inclusive resort promises a blend of Caribbean charm and Victorian elegance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the rooms. Now, the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica doesn't skimp on views. You've got your pick of ocean vistas or lush tropical forest panoramas from your private balcony. While the resort's website doesn't give us a detailed rundown of every room type, we can expect the usual suspects. Standard rooms and suites that are typical of large Caribbean resorts. Each room comes equipped with the essentials. Air conditioning, because let's face it, nobody wants to melt in the Jamaican heat. Wi-Fi that's free and available 24/7, perfect for those late-night Instagram posts. A TV for when you need a break from all that sunshine. A minibar, stocked with goodies, we hope, and a safe box for your valuables. Now, here's where things get a bit tricky. Some guests have reported that the rooms are showing their age a bit. Think of it as a charming vintage vibe, or in need of a facelift, depending on your perspective. But hey, with those ocean views, who's really spending that much time staring at the walls anyway? Now let's move on to something we can all get excited about, food and drinks. The Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica boasts 6 restaurants and 11 bars. That's right, 11. It's like they're daring you to try a different cocktail every hour of your waking day. Challenge accepted. Anyone? The restaurants serve up a mix of international cuisine, but they make sure to showcase plenty of local Jamaican dishes too. And let's not forget about the fresh seafood, caught daily, so you know it's the real deal. If you're feeling fancy, they've got specialty a la carte dining options. Just remember to pack your formal wear, because you'll need it for 3 dinners per week. It's like a mini prom night, but with better food and fewer awkward slow dances. As for the bars, well, let's just say you won't go thirsty. They've got swim-up bars at the pools, because swimming to your cocktail is way more fun than walking. Plus a whole bunch of other venues serving up drinks from sunup to way past sundown. The only downside? With so many options, you might have trouble remembering which one was your favorite the next morning. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the water features at this resort. The Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica doesn't mess around when it comes to aquatic fun. They've got 3 lake-style pools that all connect to each other. It's like a water world designed by someone who couldn't decide on just one pool. So they said, let's connect them all. There are 2 areas specifically for children, so the little ones can splash around without turning the adult pools into a kindergarten aquatics class. And for those who like their water with a side of bubbles, there are 3 jacuzzis to choose from. The sun terrace around the pools is huge, with plenty of loungers and umbrellas. So whether you're a sun worshiper or more of a shade seeker, you're covered, literally or figuratively, your choice. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, a private white sand cove beach along Runaway Bay. The calm waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling, and the resort even throws in some free water sports. You get an hour a day to play with kayaks, and they'll even teach you how to use a catamaran or go snorkeling. Just remember, it's 1 lesson per stay, so maybe don't sleep through that one. Now, for those of you who like to keep active on vacation, and kudos to you, because personally, my idea of vacation exercise is lifting a cocktail. The Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica has got you covered. They've got a gym on site, though they're being a bit coy about the specifics. Let's just assume it's got enough equipment to work off at least one of those poolside pina coladas. For the more adventurous types, remember those free water sports we mentioned? Well, in addition to kayaking and snorkeling, you can also hit up the tennis courts. Just don't challenge any locals, unless you're prepared to be soundly beaten, while maintaining a cheerful Caribbean attitude. If you're more into relaxation than perspiration, the Bahia Spa is waiting with open arms and magic fingers. They offer a variety of treatments, though you'll have to pay extra for these. But hey, you're on vacation. Treat yourself. While they don't spill all the details online, it's a safe bet that there's a sauna and steam room in there somewhere. Perfect for sweating out the toxins from last night's rum tasting. Am I right? For the kiddos or the young at heart, there's a children's water park on site. It's like they took a regular water park and shrunk it down to Smurf size. The little ones can splash, slide, and generally tire themselves out while you enjoy a moment of peace. Or join in, we won't judge. The resort also runs an international entertainment program, which is a fancy way of saying they've got activities to keep you busy when you're not eating, drinking, or lounging by the pool. There are live shows, a disco, yes, disco is alive and well in Jamaica, and events at the amphitheater every night. It's like a cruise ship, but without the seasickness. Now let's talk about what's around the resort, because as amazing as it sounds, you might want to venture out at some point. Or not, we won't judge. About 18 kilometers south, you'll find Dunn's River Falls. It's a popular waterfall that you can actually climb, which is way more fun than it sounds. Just imagine it as nature's version of a stair climber, but with better views and refreshing water. If you're into caves, and who isn't, the Green Grotto Caves are about 15 kilometers west. These limestone caves are full of mystery and stalactites. Just don't confuse the two. The hotel can arrange tours and transportation to these attractions, so you don't have to worry about navigating Jamaican roads on your own. Trust us, that's a vacation in itself. So what's the overall verdict on the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag, like a really interesting fruit salad. On the plus side, you got a beautiful location with a private beach, multiple pools, and enough restaurants and bars to keep you full and merry for weeks. The staff generally gets high marks for friendliness, and the family-friendly amenities are a big hit. On the flip side, some guests have noted that the rooms could use a bit of TLC, and the service can be hit or miss depending on which department you're dealing with. It's like they're playing service roulette. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but it's always an adventure. What really makes the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica stand out is its unique blend of Jamaican culture and Victorian architecture. It's like someone took a British manor house, plopped it down in the Caribbean, and said, make it work. And somehow it does. The resort does a great job of immersing guests in Jamaican culture, while still providing all the comforts of a luxury all-inclusive. Plus, the family-friendly vibe balanced with adult-oriented activities means that everyone from honeymooners to multi-generational family groups can find their happy place here. For those of you planning a business trip or a special event, the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica has got you covered too. They've got conference facilities available, though they're being a bit mysterious about the details. Let's just say you can probably host anything from a small business meeting to a medium-sized convention. Just remember, it might be hard to keep everyone focused when there's a beautiful beach just outside the window. Now let's talk about some of those magical moments that make a vacation truly memorable. Guests have raved about surprise room upgrades, always a win. Staff members going above and beyond to fulfill special requests, like hunting down a specific type of local fruit, and even impromptu dance lessons from the entertainment team. One guest mentioned how the bartender remembered their complicated drink order from day one, making them feel like a VIP every time they bellied up to the bar. It's these little touches that can turn a good vacation into a great one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.